डॉक्टर की हैंडराइटिंग और स्टॉक मार्केट के रिपोर्ट्स दोनों ही डिकोड करने काफी टफ लग सकते हैं. बट डोंट वरी, आई एम here to diagnose a very interesting research report for you, which I found on Anand Rathi's Trade Movie app. This report says that hospitals might be brimming with opportunity in the near future. So let's put this report under a full MRI scan. To begin with, healthcare sector आगे जाके कुछ key factors की वजह से grow हो सकता है, like longer life expectancy, demographic shifts, urbanization और rising income से patients की increased payment capacity. और इसमें भी hospitals stand to benefit the most from consumer spending. Let's see how. पहले तो Indian hospitals की bed capacity is only half the global average, and this gives a huge opportunity to hospitals that are planning expansion soon. For instance, brownfield expansion, यानी कि adding beds to existing hospital structures. इनको काफी momentum मिलेगा by financial year 2025. Plus, our research report says that privatization in hospitals might boom, क्योंकि private hospitals already make up 60% of the market. However, इनमें से सिर्फ 12% of hospitals belong to larger hospital chains, meaning that there's a lot of room for growth over here, and these are the companies that we should look out for in the coming years. Indeed, according to our research report, top hospital chains के margins and ROCE can hold steady at 20 to 25%, despite the initial kharcha for expansions. And some such hospital chains that our research report highlights are Max Healthcare, Rainbow Children's Medicare, Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences यानी कि KIMS, and Jupiter Lifeline Hospitals. And these are how the revenues and EBITDAs might look like in the next few years. Pause कर लो ये वीडियो यहाँ पे guys if you want. Now let's deep dive into each of these hospitals, starting with Max Healthcare. इनके पास है एक strong management team, an integrated digital platform for video consultations, and the best operating metric among their peers. और अगले 5 साल में इनके 2x brownfield expansions भी execute होंगे. Next है Rainbow Children Medicare, जो इंडिया के pediatrics market को lead कर रहे हैं. इनकी USP है ऑर्गेनिक, डिसिप्लिन्ड और कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव ग्रोथ स्ट्रैटेजी और हेल्दी बैलेंस शीट. अब बात करते हैं किम्स की. दे हैव अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ स्पेशलिटीज, होम मार्केट डोमिनेंस इन आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना, लिमिटेड नीड फॉर एक्सटर्नल फंडिंग, एंड देयर एक्विजिशन ऑफ सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल्स आल्सो लुक्स वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग. Plus, they may add roughly 1,700 beds overall over financial year 24-27. Finally, Jupiter Lifeline Hospitals are growing by increasing their presence in Western India. An asset-heavy business model which leads to better operational efficiency and faster break-even time. The research report also gives a special shout-out to Narayan Rudralaya, now called Narayan Health, who are showing steadily rising occupancy and might show 10% revenue CAGR in financial year 24-26. All in all, Anand Rathi के research report ने कहा है कि private hospitals approximately 15% CAGR deliver कर सकते हैं over financial year 22-25, which amounts to a whopping 7.7 trillion rupees. So, want a cure for your curiosity about the future of Indian hospitals? बस ये emoji comment करो और हमारा research report access करो.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.